As we celebrate International Reggae Day, we remember late reggae crooner Dennis Brown. A prodigy, he would go on to enjoy a career that inspired many. Even reggae king Bob Marley marveled at Brown's talent. Dennis Brown was renowned for his unique vocals and prolific music production. Today, July 1, marks the 22nd anniversary of his death. Marlon Samuels opens the book on this extraordinary Jamaican.
Born in 1957, Dennis Emmanuel Brown grew up close to Orange Street, the heart of downtown Kingston. As a youngster, he spent many days at the studios of Jamaica's first television station, the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, or JBC, watching his father, Arthur Brown, who was an actor, rehearse and perform.
I think that was where some of my inspiration came from, you know, and I've always loved the business and enjoyed it, and it's just great.
Gifted with a great singing voice, he began performing before he was 10 years old.
I started singing at the age 9 first, but doing actual recordings was when I was 13.
Wow.
13 years of age. I was working for one of the biggest producers at the time. It was Coxon, Downbeat Dad. We like going to a college or so, because I learned a few things while working with Downbeat, you know. It was a good experience.
He recorded his first song at age 11. At 13, he recorded his first album with the legendary Coxon Dodd at Studio One.
No man is an island. No man stands alone.
He penned and recorded more than 75 albums in his illustrious career.
Being a member of the 12 tribes of Israel and all that, I've learned how to relate to the Bible, like reading a chapter a day and so forth. And with that understanding, you know, and with the everyday life of living, I've learned how to put a song together, and like certain inspirations I might pick up off the street, you know, I try and put them in songs, which sometimes they work, sometimes they don't.
I won't come down on you with lightning, brimstone, or fire, for in my heart there is all I require.
Like a song like Revolution. It was while reading a book on Malcolm X. You know, I wanted to learn some more about Malcolm X, and I came across this book, and it was while reading this book that I came up with the idea of writing the song Revolution. You know? Are you ready to stand up and fight the right revolution?
All right.
When you're called, few are chosen. So these things, I try and put them together, and they work.
Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life.
His songs, twinned with his soulful, distinctive voice, soon earned him the title the Crown Prince of Reggae.
If I'm to go on now, living this way, acting like a child, so young and gay, but you don't know what it means to me.
He signed an international deal with A&M Records in 1981.
Step aside now, another man wants to take over.
I try to be myself first and try and cope. You know, I don't try to lose my roots or anything and get too presumptuous.
On June 30, 1999, Dennis Brown was rushed to the University Hospital of the West Indies. He died on July 1, reportedly from complications due to a collapsed lung. He was 42 years old. His dreams of being a musical teacher were cut short. However, his legacy would outlive him, and today he is a source of inspiration for future generations of musicians.
We all need money still, but if you can live in love, peace and harmony, you know, and try to and educate each other, I think we'd have a better world or a better country.
For For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.